Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making that Irish takeaway favourite, spice bag. Let's get stuck into it. So here we have some mini chicken breast fillets. I've got about 700 grams, that's about 25 ounces. This will make about 5 to 6 portions. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce. I'm going to add about half a teaspoonful of garlic granules, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and we're just going to mix that around. Let that all sit there. Now we're going to stick that into the fridge for at least an hour to let it marinate. Now if you can do this overnight, all the better. But I'm going to stick that in the fridge for an hour, let it marinate away. Now we're going to make up the spice mix. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoonful of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoonful of mild chili powder, a teaspoonful of 5 spice, that's Chinese 5 spice, then a teaspoonful of smoked paprika, a teaspoonful of garlic granules, a teaspoonful of chili flakes, then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to that, and grind in a little bit of black pepper. And if you keep it in a tub like this with a sealed lid, give that a shake. There you've got your spice mix ready to go, and you can keep it in the tub fresh for when you want to use it. So it's just a ratio of just a teaspoonful of everything. You can mess around with this and make your own spice mix how you like it, but this is a good starting point, and then you can go from there, add more or less the spices as you prefer. Here I have some prepared chopped up bell pepper. We got some green and red chilies chopped up, and we got some onion just chopped into rings. So they'll be fried up shortly, so I'll put them to one side. Got the chicken back out of the fridge. That's been in there now for a couple of hours. So to that, we're going to add 1 whisked up egg. Mix that around so they're all coated. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of, actually I'll just start with 1 there, mix that in. This is cornstarch or corn flour. Mix that around, add another one in. Now in the fryer behind me, I have some chips or fries frying away. I've cheated and I've just used frozen. You can, if you like, get your hands in here and give this a good mix. We're getting all the fillets there coated with the egg and the flour for frying. Chips are out, they're on a tray in the oven just to keep warm. Now we're going to take the chicken. What I'm using here is vegetable oil. It's at 180 degrees Celsius or about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just going to put each one in. Just lower in gently, just so they fry up. I'm just going to do a small batch at a time. It'll take about 4 minutes to do in the fryer. Just move them around just to make sure they aren't sticking together. They've been frying now for about 4 minutes. They look done to me, so I'm going to just take them out, put them on a piece of paper towel. Over at the hob now, we've got some oil in there. It's nice and hot. We've got our chicken ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some chilies, fry them up, along with some of the onion and some of the bell pepper. That fry off just for a minute or two. frying. I'm just going to get the chips out of the oven. I'm just making up a small portion here. So they've fried off nicely. So I'm going to add in the chicken now. And now we add the spice mix. So for this portion, just a teaspoonful is enough. Again, mess around with the spice mix, get it how you like it. Whether you like it spicy or less spicy, mix it up. Turn that heat down. Now we can add in some fries. I'm just using frozen fries here. You could get some thicker steak fries or chips to put in there, whatever you prefer. Make sure everything's coated, everything's fried up. That is looking good. Take that off the heat and put it on a plate. Now this can be served with a curry sauce, sweet and sour sauce, whatever you prefer. But I like to just have it just like that. There we go guys, that's how you make spice bag. If you've got any questions or comments, put them down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me and give me the old thumbs up. I'll pop another video here and here, the old subscribe button in the middle. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.